In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default profile language on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're looking to switch languages for better professional connections or for personal preference, I'll walk you through this process step by step. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to LinkedIn, open up your web browser and type in linkedin.com. Press enter and you should be redirected to the home page. If you already have an account, you might be familiar with these steps, but let's ensure everyone is on the same page. Next, it's time to log in. You have a couple of options here. You can either sign in using Google or Microsoft, which is great if you prefer using those platforms for added convenience. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password to log in manually. Once you've entered your credentials, hit the sign in button and you should be taken to your LinkedIn feed. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your account. This is a security measure, so if you've opted in for this added layer of security, keep your phone handy. You'll receive a code via SMS. Simply input that code into the verification field and your account should be verified in no time. Once you're logged in and verified, let's move on to your profile settings. In the upper right corner of the page, you'll see your avatar picture. Give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, you want to select Settings and Privacy. This is where you get to manage all things concerning your LinkedIn account, from privacy settings to account preferences. Now that you're in the Settings and Privacy section, you'll notice that Account Preferences is selected by default. This is convenient as it's exactly where we need to be. Keep your eyes on the General Preferences section, because that's what we need next. Within General Preferences, there's an option labeled Language. Click on Language and you will be presented with a drop-down menu that lists all the available languages you can choose from. Take your time to scroll through this list and find the language you'd like to set as the default for your profile. Once you select your preferred language from the drop-down, the change is automatically saved. There's no additional action required. It's as simple as that. Your LinkedIn profile will now be displayed in the language of your choice, making your navigation experience smoother and more personalized. And there you have it. Switching your LinkedIn profile language is quick and straightforward. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide makes your LinkedIn experience even better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials. Have a great day.